Hello everyone, happy Diwali. So today we are going to make this beautiful hot air balloon fairy lights by Sky Goodies. The package came with 10 hot air balloon templates and fairy lights. Fold a balloon along the crease lines. Insert the tabs of the balloon one by one into the slots in the hexagonal top piece. Insert all the tabs to close the balloon. Insert the fairy lights bulb into the edge-shaped cut in the tab to attach each balloon to the fairy lights. So this is the final look. You can decorate your walls, balcony and window using these fairy lights. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.